Ready to connect your Python Pytest scripts directly with Jira for streamlined testing and reporting. First, we'll navigate to your Jira instance and select or create a project where you want to upload your test results. This is where your testing data will live alongside your issues and project information. Now, let's talk about integrating Pytest. This often involves using a Python library designed to connect with Jira. We'll start by setting up this test results integration. You can configure the connection with your Jira instance's credentials and the project key where you want to upload the reports. Next, the crucial part, configuring the integration. The configuration file defines how your Pytest results will be translated into Jira understandable formats. In this file, you'll input your Jira URL, username, and password, and, most importantly, specify the project key where your test results should go. We need to output testing results. Pytest can generate JUnit XML reports. This structured format is ideal for Jira integration. You'll need a command to generate these reports alongside your test runs. This creates a file containing all test results, ready to be uploaded. To sync your test results with Jira, upload those JUnit XML reports. Depending on the specific tool being used, you'll run a separate script. This script reads the JUnit XML file and, using the configuration details, posts the test results as separate test executions within Jira. Ultimately, you'll see your test results directly within Jira and view project-wide testing information. This could appear as individual test executions, test runs, or detailed reports, including pass, fail counts, and links to the executed issues in Jira. It is going to provide you with a consolidated view of your project's testing efforts, highlighting development progress and aiding in identifying and addressing potential issues. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Pytest with Jira. With a streamlined testing process, it becomes easier and efficient to keep your project on track. Subscribe for more software testing tips to enhance your software development journey.